Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be planning the week of January 31st to February 6th and using the Sweet Planner and Shantae Plans collab kit. This was such a joy creating this kit and I was so excited to get a chance to use it and put it in my planner. This kit had a lot of strong pinks, which definitely tied into the theme that I wanted for the month of February. So this was a great way to kick off my opening week of February planning with this kit. So I put down the bottom washi and then decided to do something totally different with my date covers that I had never done before. And so I was really excited about this. And it was so crazy because I'm using the tacos from the Panda Bird Design and Gathered Layers collab, which was my bestie Rachel, her collab with Panda Bird Design. And I remember the day I had a dream about using my kit and then using her tacos in the kit, and I dreamed doing my date covers like this. And I called Rachel the next day when I woke up and I was like, oh my god, I just had the craziest dream. I know exactly how I want to use your tacos. It's like I had this idea of what I want to do when I use my collab kit, and I'm going to be using your collab too, and I totally hope I can pull this off the way I'm seeing it in my head, because if I can, this is going to be so awesome. I was very, very excited. And so when I sat down to plan with this kit, I got so nervous because I was just like, gosh, I hope I can pull this off. And once I started putting it down and then paired it with those really beautiful butterfly dividers or trim stickers from Sadie Stickers, the scripts are from Paper Trail Plans, it all came together just so beautifully. And it was like exactly what I was hoping for and exactly what I was thinking. And so since I'd moved the date covers down to the bottom, I'd requested from Paper Trail Plans some custom scripts that are quotes from Black History makers, and I love these quote stickers. They're amazing, and I love them because even though what I really wanted for the month of February was to be able to incorporate Black history into my February monthly and some of my weekly spreads. And so I loved having the opportunity to pull in these quotes at the top because I had all of that open space since I had moved my date covers down to the bottom. And so I was able to pull in this Langston Hughes quote, and it says, "Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly." And I just thought that was so amazing and so inspiring. And that's the thing I love about all of the quotes. And it's funny, honestly, I don't think I did it intentionally. And I won't say I don't think. I was literally there. I don't have to think. I know what I was thinking in that moment. So let me start over. When I was selecting quotes, because I knew I wanted Black History Month quotes, and so I sent them a message to see if it was possible for them to create a custom sticker for me. And I was looking at quotes from different Black history figures that I knew I wanted quotes from, and I did not think through and realize that the quotes themselves, even though they're all from incredible Black history makers, the quotes aren't specific to this month, which I really love because I have a lot of these quotes because I, of course, wanted them in every single foil color. So I have all the quotes in not only in all three foil colors, but I have them both on transparent and on premium matte paper. So I have quotes for days and will last me well past the month of February, but the quotes are all super awesome and not specific to this month. So I'll get plenty of use out of them. That's the point I'm trying to make. Sorry. That was a very long-winded way of getting my way there, including this quote that I'm putting in my sidebar. This one's from Nelson Mandela. And it says, "It always seems impossible until it is done." I love that quote. I love all of these quotes. They're so great. But sorry, I finished decorating the top area of my planner and I just used the deco and things like that. And so with this kit, with the Sweet Planner, she offers a 4-page weekly kit. Her deco sheets have been something I've been in love with for years and years, and they're just this fabulous combination of images as well as florals. So even the little fashion doll at the table that I'm setting down, that's definitely from the deco sheet. And then there was a floral add-on, which had just only flowers, which is very common to have when you're buying weekly kits these days. Pretty much seems like all shops have floral deco add-ons. And then there was also a dashboard kit. There were a lot of components to this collaboration to make it easy for people to get only what they wanted and only what they needed from the collab. And so because I had everything, I pulled in like all of the different elements. So I had everything to use for this spread, and I used like the deco sheet, the floral deco, and the weekly kit all in the spread. It was wonderful. And so now that I've got my sidebar down, I am moving back to my full boxes. I placed down the striped headers over a couple of the full boxes, and then I definitely wanted to pull in lots of butterflies. I have a thing about butterflies. It is so very me. And so getting a chance to incorporate butterflies into this kit. As I said, this is my second time getting a chance to collaborate with the Sweet Planner. And actually the kit I did last year with her was totally butterfly themed. This one was definitely more planner girl themed, and even still I somehow managed to work butterflies into this spread. I'm a crazy butterfly lady, what can I tell you? But let's get into our day by day. So started off by going to the gym, and then after I was done with the gym, it was month end. So it was definitely a busy work day, just trying to close out everything, finish up all reports and stuff, and get everything wrapped up so that we're ready to close out the month. And then I painted my nails, which it feels like a weird thing to do on a Monday. I usually do my nails on the weekend, but either I was super busy or super lazy the weekend before. And I have a feeling the answer is super lazy. I'd like to think it was super busy, but I have a sneaky suspicion I was probably just being lazy the weekend before. So I did my nails. Which I tried to do so that they look nice in my planner videos and they don't look terrible. I try to keep up with that. And then I was working on my next planner collab. This is going to be like the craziest year, and I feel so grateful for that, because being able to collaborate and contribute to the creation of stickers and things that I use in my planner is like something I really never expected to do until I really got the opportunity to contribute to a kit for the first time last year. And now it's just like, okay, this is a part of a thing that I do now. And it's so freaking cool. I have several pinch me moments when it comes to planning. It is like the best hobby ever, and I'm so grateful for all of these experiences. On to Tuesday. Tuesday was February, so I started by putting the Hello February script from Paper Trail Plans on the full box. It was also my bestie's birthday, and I'm super proud of myself for getting that on the right day. I am the worst when it comes to birthdays, and I kid you not, like a couple years ago, I accidentally marked her birthday on, I think, the 2nd of February, because I had the number 2 in my head because it's the second month, but I mixed it up and thought it was the second day of the second month. And so and ever since then, I've been trying to make sure I get that right. It's really sad. Like, we have been besties for so many years now. It's ridiculous. She was the maid of honor at my wedding. You would think I would get her birthday right, but she knows I'm bad at this. So she knows it's not personal because she knows I'm terrible at this. And I forget my own birthday. So it's not a big deal. She's not mad at me about that. It was $2 Tuesday. And then we also did a Plans Change podcast episode. That's interesting because, like, for us to do that on a Tuesday. Oh, I'm remembering that now. Okay. So fun. Like, trying to remember back as I'm doing this voiceover. So I'm like, plans change. Which was so much fun. And that's one of the things Rachel and I have been wanting to bring back this year. It was so easy to do plans change when we were working from home and in quarantine in 2020. And even though we don't have as much time to do it now, we do want to, whenever we do get a chance, to incorporate it as much as we can. Okay, we're already on to Friday. Let's speed this up, Tay. More time at the gym on Wednesday and Thursday. I've ordered another plum paper planner. And you know what? I should share that on Instagram so you guys can see. I mean, I only write in it. It's not decorated or anything like that. So I never really talk about it, but I guess I could show it just so you guys could see if you were interested in what their daily format of a planner looks like. started working on my anniversary kit. Oh my gosh, as I'm doing this voiceover today, we finished up creating my anniversary kit. I cannot wait to show this to you guys. Once I get it, I'm going to freak out. It is incredibly gorgeous. And then Thursday I had an Amazon Fresh delivery, chatted with one of my friends. Friday we needed some maintenance done around the house. It was payday. And I did my February journaling spread. I have been loving doing journaling spreads so much. And thank you to all of you. Everyone has been so kind and supportive, and really it seems to be enjoying those videos. So I feel very encouraged to continue making those. And then also made sure to pay some bills. On to Saturday. Okay, I feel like I'm getting caught up. My gym is getting so crowded, and they're on like a different schedule now where and I'm assuming this is COVID related, where they have abbreviated hours on Saturday and Sunday. So it's gotten to the point now where I go to the gym just Monday through Friday. It's the easiest. And then I take Saturday and Sunday off. And so I'm just working out 5 days a week now. But I had an eyelash appointment on Saturday, and then just ran a bunch of errands. And went to the beauty supply, to the bank, got some gas in the car, those types of things. And edited journaling spread. Then on Sunday, we had a very fun and very special episode of Plans Change. And it was the first time we ever did a Plans Change where we had 4 people on at the same time. So it was me and Ray, and then we also invited in Moshi, who at this point, I don't even know if you can call Moshi like a guest. She's basically part of the Plans Change family. And then we also had Jen of Homeliness Plants, who was our special guest, and she was incredible and amazing and did better than all 3 of us. She like got so much further in like planning her spread than the rest of us, and we're all like, we just got the base down, and she's like, oh, I'm already like on my day-to-day, and we were like, oh, we should be better at this. But it was fine. Made my final cruise payment for my upcoming vacation, and that's a cruise that got pushed all the way from 2020 to 2022, so we'll see how that goes. And then my husband and I have been binge watching The Practice, and that was Sunday. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.